What is up? It's your girl Birah, aka Birah Boo. How y'all doing today? Oh my gosh, guys. It is day 2 of Vlogmas. Today, I'm going to take you guys with me as I find some decorations for my room. I don't have a whole house, but you know, I'm going to get in the Christmas cheer in the room. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So right now, I'm at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stop a couple of other places, but I'm at Dollar Tree right now, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to be doing some giveaways, and I'll talk about that at the end of the video. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and get right into the video, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and do this tree. We're gonna see how it turn out. Okay, I ain't never put up a tree by myself, but we're gonna learn today. All right.
Oh, no.
Hey y'all, congratulations. You made it to the end of this video, honey. Okay, I hope you like me decorating my tree and whatnot. But you know, as you can see, I am Birah Claus. Second, ho, ho, ho. I didn't even tell you what the giveaway was about. So, I'm gonna be giving out Secret Santa gifts, okay? So, you're not gonna know what the gift is gonna be. If you are, I'm gonna be giving away 3 Secret Santa gifts to you. To you. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and give you real quick giveaway info. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is you must be subscribed to my channel. Okay, so you must go to my YouTube channel and hit subscribe. My YouTube is Birah Boo, and I'll probably put it down here somewhere. And the second thing you're gonna have to do is like my previous video. Okay, like my previous video, and I'm also have that in the description box. So once you like it, you have to comment below hashtag Blogmas to enter the giveaway. Okay, tag Blogmas, and that's BLOGMAS. BLOGMAS, or what? BLOGMAS. Okay. Let me stop. And 3, the last thing, I don't know why that felt weird. The last thing that you're gonna have to do is go to my Instagram, which is at Birah Boo. Birah Boo. And third thing that you have to do is send this video you're watching right now, send it to 3 of your closest friends who you would like to win this giveaway with, okay? All right, so 3 steps, and I'll put that in the description box so that you know how to win the Secret Santa giveaway, okay? All right, y'all. Well, thank you so much for waiting until the end of the video, okay? I will see you in my next video, which will be up very, 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 very soon. So thank you so much for being patient with me, but jingle bells, jingle bells. Let me stop. I'm acting up. Peace.